Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create your own desktop wallpaper using Canva for free. So let's get started. Open the Chrome browser, select your profile. Now in the URL box you have to search canva.com, or you can use the help with Google. You can search to title in Google canva.com. Now after opening the Canva website, you have to register with an account, and it's free. You can use your Gmail account to make an account on Canva. Then log in on the Canva website. After opening the website, you can see here the option create a design option here. Click on it. Now search for desktop. Now you can see here the option desktop wallpaper. Click on here. Now the best and most exciting thing about Canva is it gives you 100 types of templates for use for making your design. For example, I want to create a wallpaper for my wildlife Nick. Okay, now as you can see here, it offered me different type of suggestions. Now I will, okay, this looks cool. Now you can also change the text, or you can use your own different type of wallpaper. Okay, this looks cool. You can change the text color by double clicking on it and go here and choose the color. For example, I want to make it red. Okay, see now, it's not changed yet. I have to again click on red color. Okay, you can see here it's changed into red. You can also change the font text by changing here. Now to download your desktop wallpaper, click on share option, then click on download, and your wallpaper will download it. And that's it guys. Now you know how to create a desktop wallpaper using Canva for free. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks so